Hello everyone, welcome to Math with Gayatri YouTube channel. Today's topic is multiplication and division word problems for class 4. So in this video I am going to say about the terms in multiplication and division and the keywords in multiplication and division with two example sums. Let me see this. So look at the sum 12 into 2 that is equal to 24. We already know the symbol used for multiplication, that is as a into symbol, cross symbol. And the division we can use this one, divide symbol. Okay. So the first number it is called as multiplicand and the second number it is called as a multiplier. And what is the answer we got in the product, that is called as a product. Okay. Next, look at the division sum. The first number that is called as a dividend and the second number it is as a divisor. It is called as a divisor. And what is the answer we got, that as a quotient, and the leftover number it is called as a remainder. And let me see the keywords in the word problem of multiplication and division. If you find these words, you can go for multiply or you can go for divide. So in the question, if they mention multiply or times, product, find the product, multiplied by, groups of, lots of, doubled, twice, thrice. So if you find any like this words, you can go for multiplication. Or if you are finding like this, divided by, share, divide into, share equally, each, group, divisible by. If you find like this words, you can go for the division sum. And one more thing, if they give one, if they give the value for one and if they ask for more, for example, if they give the price of one thing and if they ask the price of more, means you have to multiply it. Okay, if they given the more value and they want to find, if you want to find for one, means you have to divide. Okay, so if they give one value and they ask to multiply and if they ask to find more, means you have to go for multiplication. If they given the price of five things and if they ask the price of one thing, means you have to divide it. Okay, now see the sums. The first sum, Sanjeev earns rupees 1756 in a day. How much does he earn in 2 years? So here they given for one day he earns 1756 rupees. So you have to find out for 2 years. So they given here one and they ask for more. 2 years they ask. For one day they given and they ask for 2 years. So here you have to multiply it. So for one day rupees 1756, for 2 years. For 1 year, how many days? For 1 year 365 days. For 2 years means you have either you have to multiply or add it. So 365 into 2 you can put it, otherwise 365 plus 365 that is equal to 730 days. So find the number of days for 2 years first, and then if you multiplied, if you added this, you will get 730 days. Okay, so for one day 1756 rupees he earned, and what about for 730 days? So here you have to multiply it. So multiply the numbers and find the answer. So here I multiplied and I found the answer. The answer is 12 lakh 81,880. So if they give the value for 1 and if they ask more, means you can go for multiplication. Look at the next question. 23,520 sweets are packed equally in 96 boxes. How many sweets are packed in each boxes? So you just look at the keyword, each is there, equally is there. So if you find the keyword like this, means you have to go for division. Equally, each and all it's there, means you have to go for division. Okay. So for 96 boxes contains 23,520 sweets. What about for one box? So here 96 box, this much of sweets. Then what about for one box? If they give more and if they ask the value for one thing, means you have to divide it. So divide the number. that is 23,520 divided by 96. You put the multiplication table at the rough column. 96 they given, so just write it at the rough column and find the division, do the division, and here I got 245 boxes, I mean sweets. Okay, so if they give the value for 1 and if they ask more means you have to go for multiplication. If they given the more things or value for 5 things, if they ask the value for one thing means you have to divide. Hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.